Hey guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a review. I have not used this yet, but it's the new palette from Anastasia. It's the soft, I almost said soft clam. I seriously almost said soft glam. Soft glam. It does look like clam. Can you see that? If I hold it all the way back there. Before we get started, please make sure you click that button below, hit the subscribe button, click on that subscribe button on my watermark, wherever you find it, just click on it. Share new videos every single week. Also click on that notification bell so when I release a new video, you will be notified. If you don't, I'm just gonna get lost. I'm just gonna get lost in the crowd. I just ordered this from Nordstrom. I was excited to get it. When I got it, it arrived broken. So I'm returning. Actually just ordered another one, so I'm just gonna return this. But before returning, because I probably have to throw it in the garbage, I want to do a look. I'm going to show you the colors and see how it's arrived broken. Can you see these two colors right there? Broken. But the colors are so pretty. This is totally me. These colors are me. So I had to have this palette. I'm trying to be careful. I ordered a bunch of palettes around Christmas time, and honestly I've hardly played with them because I packed them away because we're going to be moving. Yes, but I saw this and I'm like, yes, this is like a palette that excites me. It makes me happy, and I need to be happy right now. If you knew what was going on in my life. There is a color called Tempera, Dusty Rose, Fairy, Glistening, Orange Soda, Burnt Orange, I have that one ready, Sienna, I think I might have Sienna, Rose Petal, Sultry, I'm trying to be careful so I don't spill this all over, Bronze, Rustic, Cypress Umber, Nior, and Mulberry. I think I only have a couple of these colors. I don't think I have, I know that, I think I heard that there's like 6 colors that are already on other palettes. I thought I heard, I don't know, I heard that, but I also have not watched tutorials on this because I wanted to kind of make my own decision. I picked up 3 Morphe brushes recently when I got together with my girl Dawn, and I think Dawn, I think you've been using some of yours. I picked up 3 brushes. I picked up the Morphe M505, which is a fluffy brush. I bought the M330, Morphe M320. So these are the 3 brushes. I'm gonna go in with a transition color. And I'm gonna go in with my, can I read this on my, if I do it this way? Yes, I'm gonna go in with my Morphe 505 brush, Orange Soda, right there. And I'm just gonna tap my brush in it. And I need to move my hair so I can apply this. Oh my, okay, that's really nice. I see I didn't blend my makeup, okay. Oh, that's going on really nicely. So I'm just placing my brush in there. And I'm not even tapping anything off. That's the thing about these shadows that I find, the less that you're rubbing your brush in there, the better. It's just better to just go like this. Seriously, tap it and have the brush pick up the product for you. Instead of just going in there and going to town. I need to still use a different blending brush, so I'm going to go in with my It Cosmetics brush and just blend that really lightly. Burnt Orange, which is down here. And by the way, you get a brush. I'm not going to take it out because I'm returning it, but the brush looks like a nice brush, but I usually don't. I just don't use palette brushes. I don't know. Can you see what I'm doing here? Rustic. I'm going to try to use as many colors as I can. Oh, that one color is really breaking apart. The one that's broken. Oh, that's really pretty. Now I'm going to go in with my Morphe 330. And I'm going to use this on the corners. So I'm going to go in and take my Cypress Umber. And I'm going to put that right here on the corner. Ooh, got to be careful with that one. That's one of those that I probably should tap, yep. And I just place my brush in there, and that's all you have to do with these colors. Don't go in there and dig with your brush because you're just going to make a mess everywhere. I mean, it picks up powder even from just placing my brush on there and picking up powder or eyeshadow. So I'm just putting it right there in the corner. And I'm going to take my blending brush and just blend that in a circular motion, just keeping it in that little section there. Just kind of doing like that little outward V. This color looks like, for me, it's going on a little bit patchy. And I usually don't have that with Anastasia colors, but this one looks like it's going on a little patchy. Now, I don't know if it's because of the brushes I'm using. I don't know. I'm using different brushes, because I usually don't have that with her colors. And I don't know if anybody else has had that, but that color looks just a little bit patchy. Yeah, like on this side here, I just feel like it looks a little bit patchy. Now I'm going to go in and take my Sigma brush. This is my E25 brush. I'm going to spray it with my MAC Prep and Prime. And I'm going to go in and pick up, it's going to be difficult, I'm going to pick up Sultry, which is one of the broken ones. And I'm just getting it on my brush here, and I'm going to tap it on. Oh my gosh, that's really pretty. It's a little bit dark though. I think I might still lighten that up, but I like it. It's pretty. But I like a little lighter look. So I'm going to mix it in with Tempera. So Tempera is the color right there. So I'm just going to just put a little bit of Tempera in there just to brighten it up a little bit. Yeah, just like that. See how that brightened it up? I don't know if you saw that. And I'm just getting out of my mobile lid. I don't want to go all the way to the end here. I don't want to go up in my crease. I just want to keep it right down there. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to tap it in the Sultry, tap it in the Tempera, and I'm going to mix it. Oh, that's a really pretty color together. Morphe 321 brush, and I am going to go in with Cypress Umber. Just going to tap it off. Even though I just place it in there, it picks up a lot of color. And I'm going to put it right here. Now I'm going to tell you right off the bat, I don't like this brush. And this is why I don't like this brush. It's too fluffy to do what I want to do with it. Okay, see how that brush looks? I'm going to show you my It Cosmetics brush. Where is my It Cosmetics brush? Here it is. So this is my It Cosmetics smudge brush. Do you see how pointy that is? This works so nice for going underneath and smudging out color. See how nice that is? It's nice and pointed. This is too fluffy, so I don't like that brush. I'm going to go right there on the lash line on the other eye. I'll go back to this one too. And I'm putting very little color. I mean, I just placed my brush in and that's all I did. I need to blend it in a little bit more here. Right in the corner. Because you want to connect the corner with the color there, so you want to make sure you get that. Next, I'm going to go in and I am going to use this light color right here, which is Tempera. I'm just going to take some of that, and this is on my Sigma E55 brush. And I just like, this is what I like to use this brush for, so I'm just going to get it right under my eyebrow, just to highlight it a little bit. So right underneath, like right at my eyebrow arch, I'm just putting a little bit of that color. And I just tap it in there. And I'm just getting it right here. It just gives it a little bit of more of a lift to my eyebrows and just highlights it a little bit. Okay, so let me give you my final thoughts on it. Now really quickly, something I didn't mention is the packaging is the same as the other packaging where it has that felt that I always find gets really dirty, and I don't like that. So that's a negative for me. But other than that, I really like the palette. I love the colors. I think this one color looked a little patchy on me, but the color that I placed on the end, and that was, oh my God, I'm making more of my Cypress Umber. I just have to keep this close because it's just breaking apart like crazy. Cypress Umber. So that was the color I used on my end, but I don't know, is it the brush that made it patchy or is it the shadow? I don't know. So I'll have to keep you updated. I'll play around with it as soon as I get my new one, because this one's going to go back today in the mail. I just ordered another one. So, but I love the colors. They're totally me. I think you can do a lot of different looks with it. So if you're looking for a new palette and you don't have those colors, then I would definitely recommend it. If you have colors like that already, then I would pass. But I really think it's pretty. You'll probably see me using it a lot because like I said, I really love the colors. I think they're so they're so me. I love it. They're beautiful. And I think it looks really nice with the pink lipstick I have on today. It's got like a little bit of a pinky kind of a hue to some of the colors to me. You know, the brown, you know how some browns are a little bit more pinky? That's what I feel like with this look. So, and that is it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I really do hope that you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. Please follow me on Instagram. And if you are following me on Instagram from here, please let me know that you are following me. I will leave a link below. Just go down below. You will find a link to my Instagram. Just click on it and you can follow me there. I'm not on Snapchat. Did I say Snapchat? I'm not on Snapchat much right now because they changed the way they do the feed and it's so confusing. Like I can't find people that I used to follow without seeing all the other junk that's on there, and some of it is junk. Like I don't want to see someone's chest, you know what I'm saying? Like sometimes there's naughty stuff on there. I don't want to see that. So I don't like Snapchat right now. So I'm more into Instagram. I have been trying to work on Twitter too, but please make sure you follow me on Instagram. So I will leave the link below too with everything else that I'm wearing on my face. My necklace, my earrings. I always like to share that because I know you guys are interested in that as well. So that is it. Thank you so much, and I will see you real soon. Bye.